So again, you should be starting to think about when you're going to be using sine law and when you're going to be cosine law. In this case, I'm looking for angle B, and it's going to be side A that's given, so 18.68. Side B here, which is 77.27, and I know that this is 13.51 degrees. So this is a case for the sine law because I'm using angles and sides that are opposite to each other. So this will be the sine of B divided by 77.27 is equal to the sine of 13.51 divided by 18.68. Now I can rearrange this and get sine of B is equal to 77.27 sine of 13.51 over the over 18.68, and that's equal to, let's call it 967. So if I use the inverse sign in order to get what that angle was, then I'm going to have 75.1 degrees. Now remember, when you're dealing with this scenario in the sine law, you have to think about the ambiguous case, and in this case 75 degrees is not correct. That's more than 75 degrees. That's an obtuse angle. So the angle I'm looking for is actually going to be 180 minus 75.1, which is going to be 104.9 degrees. So remember, just as a refresher, that in the case where you've been given two sides in an angle, you have to be careful of that ambiguous case of the sine law. And in here, it's the picture that is one way you can see that's obtuse, and I did not get an obtuse angle from my calculator.